All right, simple gallop and palm muting exercise. That's a popular song. If you know what I'm playing, leave it in the comments. I'm not going to name it here. Just have some fun and see if you can figure it out. But the way you play that intro, it's an open chord of E, and there's a gallop. So it's open, and then the palm mute gallop. So one more time. Okay, so I'm hitting an open chord, then I'm palm muting. I'm going, so you can see my palm touching the top string. Okay, so we're getting that. Okay, and this is going to be on the 2nd fret, not the 3rd fret, so F, and then G, okay? Okay, it's fun to practice that. So the other part, it's not necessarily palm muting or anything like that. So it's just an artificial harmonic, and that's done on the 12th fret on the last 3 strings. So now what we're doing is slightly touching these strings, and then we're going, okay, and then just lightly gracing it. You can even let go, see. All right, so let's just have fun with it. And if you know this song, let me know in the comments. So all right, let me know if you enjoy that. If you like more details on it or even some tablature, let me know in the comments. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye.